Hey, geometry class. I'm coming to you from the best classroom ever. Get a load of this. Out here in the Cascades at Olali Lake, there's Tusker Granite Mountain behind. It's a beautiful sunny day. I wish I could teach here every day. We're going to talk quickly about relationships between angles, and then I'm going to go back to enjoying all this. Okay, so we're going to talk quickly about angles. And I think I can make a decent angle here. Angles are two rays, not line segments, that attach at a vertex. And we're talking about pairs of angles today, or relationships between angles. So let's say I had something like this, where I had an angle here and I had an angle here. Those are called adjacent angles. Two angles that are side by side in the same plane. A linear pair is also like this if we consider this to be a perfect line, this bottom one, and then I had another angle. These two angles are side by side on a line. They add up to 180 degrees. The other word for that is called supplementary angles, if they add up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles, if this was 90 degrees, if I can get it to be 90 degrees here, and then I split that into two different angles, you're going to have what are called complementary angles. Vertical angles are when two lines cross. I know those don't look like very good lines, but pretend those are straight. Vertical angles are going to be the angle here compared to the angle there. You can also see it's going to be the angle here compared to the angle there. What we know about vertical angles is that they're always equal. I'm really not sure if there's any more about angles that I can tell you. One thing is when you see a drawing, oh, I know, perpendicular, and you probably know that word already. That's when two lines cross at there's an exactly 90 degree angle there. When you see on a piece of paper in geometry, when you see a line, you can assume that that's straight. Even though I know my stick here is a little bit curved, you can assume that a line is straight. What you cannot assume is when you see two lines like that, you can't just assume those are perpendicular. It's going to take a little more rigorous proof than just eyeballing it. Okay? All right. Relationships between angles. I'm going to go back to enjoying this. Okay, see ya.